This video is going to be the most simplest, easiest video of showing you exactly how to replace your through-hole fittings and your seacocks. Replacing all our through-hole fittings and seacocks today with these glass reinforced nylon composite seacocks. I'm going to be really cheeky, guys. So I've grinded this one back pretty far, but that's because I got one of those little vents to go over the top of it. This is one that I've already finished. You can see how I grind it back to gel coat on here. Someone's hit it with a sander, but that's no problem. We'll clean that up. So that one's all completed. You really want to silicone these on in the gel coat. Now, these guys are doing the same thing here, and I'm not going to pick on the guy's work, but I just want to show you, because this is okay to do, but not ideal. You want to get it past the anti-foul. He hasn't actually got it past the anti-foul. He's just gone on top of the anti-foul. So, as you can see, guys, like, it's not that they're doing a bad job, but if you're afraid about doing these skin fittings, these guys are working all these boats around us, and a lot of them are doing seacocks and through-hole fittings, and they just smash it straight on top of the anti-foul. They just rip it out. Give it a light sand. Some of them don't even sand them, they just rip them out, bit of silicone, throw them up, and they're gone in like 10 minutes. So if you're scared to do your throw fittings, like, don't stress, guys. Like, I reckon 80% of the boats out there are getting these guys to do their work. And like I said, they're not doing a bad job. They're just probably not doing it. They're probably just not. It's not a big deal.